part, what, 5, 6? Since I can't really do anything because my whole back is stiff and my neck. I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping all the body parts. I'm gonna just primer them for now. So here it is. Here I got the front fenders. I already started on this one. Here's the other one there. So this is the other fender. They're pretty all just scratched up. Not too bad, but I mean this one at the bottom. But so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one. I'll have you guys watching me for a quick second, and then I also took the vent out. That way it stays black. I want that black. And then repeat the same process to that one. So yeah. Well, here's the fender so far. I've only done it with I believe it's 400 grit. 400 grit. Take off the little vent so I can get in there without fucking up the vent. Oh, I almost tripped over the rear fender. What's up, everybody? So it's the next day. I have most of the panels sanded, some of them somewhat primered. They still have to go back with the finer grit and smooth everything out. This is one of the rears, and the front, there's the other front over there, and the other rear. I still have to smooth these out. I still have to do this front bumper, and now I have to just take this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this lightning out the garage real quick and get to that, and hopefully we're done today, and I'll be putting the panels back on the car so it starts looking like a car. And yeah, so I don't want to bore you guys with just talking and showing you guys what I'm doing and not really talking or whatever, I guess. So I went to go get more primer because I ran out. Filler primer. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but hey, as long as it look good, I ain't tripping. But here we have the front bumper. I'm gonna put some primer. I'm gonna finish priming the other parts as well. I got more clear, more primer, and a can of black for all the grill and the vents for the fenders. I got everything primed, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully next time you guys see me with the panels, they'll be getting installed to the car, and the car be 80% done, and all I need is the motor work done, and hopefully she's ready to go. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and share the video too. I'll see you guys on the next one.